Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Hey, I'm back and I'm better.
Hello my gingerbread and jelly bean, welcome back to another episode of JVLOGS. I know you guys probably be cussing me out, so where's the video, why not posting? But I've been busy, working and stuff, and I've been really tired and haven't get a chance. The reason why I don't video in the house, as you can see, the last video was a bit darker than this. I use daylight, I use the natural light to make my video, because one, I don't have artificial lights in the house. My camera is not that good in the night, so you guys just have to work with me until I can afford better equipment and better camera. I won't even ask for sponsorship because that don't work with me. I'm bad lucky. I don't get money free. I don't get anything free. And also, I'm not really earning from YouTube. I'm a small YouTuber. The views that you guys give me, it don't really add up to like those big YouTubers say like $50 or $100 per month. No, sometimes I get like $3 for the month or $5. So that's all I get. But I don't really focus on that. I just focus on giving you guys more videos and just enjoy doing this. So the topic that I want to talk about is, it's basically a debate I'm going to have with you guys. So I'm going to give my view on the topic, and you guys just comment below and tell me what you think about it. Question is, do you think teenagers should wear makeup? When I say teenage, I mean 15-year-old, 14-year-old. Should they wear makeup to school? My feeling about this is no. I don't think teenagers should be wearing makeup in school, especially 14, 15-year-old in high school. One, I think it take away from them actually focusing on their lesson and actually learning in high school, because high school is very important at age 14, 15. You're getting ready to do your major exams to graduate and then go into college, so you need to focus. So putting on makeup and prettying up, that's what you're focused on, that's what they'll be focused on, and not the lesson and education. So that actually takes from them trying to look beautiful and all like that. The next thing, I think it takes away from their self-esteem, because they're wearing makeup, they are not loving themselves, they're not loving the skin they're in. They don't accept their skin type or whatever, bumps or whatever is on their face. Natural puberty, when they have eczema or whatever it is, they try to cover it up and they try to look beautiful and all that. But being natural is better. It helps you as a young woman to be confident in yourself and know that, alright, I'm a beautiful young lady and this is how I look, and I'm just going to embrace it and just be a child and just enjoy my childhood. So I'm not in agreement for girls to be wearing makeup. I think it takes away from their lesson, that's one, and I think it takes away from their self-esteem. The third thing is that I think it push them into being an adult. It push them into seeking attention from guys in high school or older men. They want to be in the spotlight. They're getting ready for the touch out on the road and them something, but they're still a child. They're immature, they're young. They're supposed to be running up and down, sweating and smelling green. They're supposed to be running up and down smelling green and going home to shower. What's the makeup for? They're supposed to be enjoying their childhood and playing and having fun and being a child, because that's what that's that. For us, me growing up, my sisters, they don't wear makeup. They don't wear makeup in schools in Jamaica. Teachers send them home. We have a different situation where the bleaching is concerned. They're looking out against the teachers. Them ensure that they send them home if they're bleaching, or come back to school black. If you're born black and you come school white, you have to come back black. So you have to stop bleaching, you get by that color day. But on a serious note, I think these girls should focus on their education. Enjoy being a child, enjoy being a teenager. Play, sweat, enjoy yourself. Don't worry about this makeup stuff. Wait until you're older to focus on makeup. You don't need to be pretty enough for anybody at that age. You're supposed to be, just enjoying school, enjoying yourself and learning. So that's my take on it, guys. Leave the comments below. I don't want you guys viewing this video and not commenting. Thanks to everybody that comment, my regular gingerbread and jelly bean that comment. You know, this is a debate. I want to hear what you guys have to say about it. Tell me if I'm wrong, you know, question it, you know, stuff like that, man. Interact with me and just let's have a vibe. So thanks for watching JVLOGS, guys. I'll keep the video them coming. I'll try to post them on time, you know. Every week I'll be, you know, dropping 1 or 2 videos. So ensure that you tune in. Remember to subscribe and share for more. JVLOGS, guys, I'm out. No makeup, no makeup. Oh God.